Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today we're currently here in the DragsterTV headquarters. About to go ahead and head on downstairs. Just had to go ahead and throw a shirt on. Just got finished with an Off-Road Outlaws video. But yeah, we're going to head on downstairs, go into the garage, grab the little connectors, and of course the speakers. We got some new rear door speakers to go ahead and throw in the Ford Excursion. You guys already know about it. So we did the front speakers like a week ago, so it's time to do the rears. But just while I'm up here, I thought I'd start recording and show you guys the brand new. They're off-brand, right? They're not real Harley Davidson, but these are 05 through 07 headlights that I'm gonna put in the Excursion. You have to do a little bit of trimming. So you take out the old headlights and draw a really perfect, precise line. It's gonna be a little tricky, but we have a Dremel, so it should be easier than with a big old grinder. Because I watched one guy accidentally chop off like a bottom piece and then these wouldn't set incorrectly, it like wobbled. So I need to make sure I can do it correctly. Currently, I mean, it's Monday today, so I could actually probably get this done by tomorrow because I just have to run up and buy the bulbs. Because, where does it say? It says it's somewhere like around here. H13s go right here. And I know you can reuse one of the bulbs, but then you need to get a straight socket for the side markers, I think. So we have a couple of just bulbs to buy, and then we can go ahead and get the Dremel out, get to trimming, and put them in, and that'll all be for another video. But I'm gonna go ahead and head on downstairs, and we're gonna put in some new door speakers in the Excursion. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like if you do, subscribe if you're new and you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys as soon as we're downstairs to go ahead and throw in some new door speakers. It is extremely bright and sunny out today, and the forecast calls for rain, so I'm just a little bit confused. But anyways, in my little thingy here, oh, there's stickers. I forgot I put some stickers there. We need to go and throw them on the 400X. But we got the last two connectors, since you can buy a set of 4, and we have the last box of our set of 2 speakers here. Once again, oh wait, actually, okay, yeah. So since I have an Excursion, you know, it's an SUV. In the back, they're 6x9s. In the front doors and the back doors, they're 6x8s. But in the back, you want to replace those big old panels you have to take off, and you need 6x9s, not 6x8. So I just needed to double check real quick. Need to go over my memory. I was right. The 4-door speakers are 6x8s, but the ones in the very back are 6x9s. We're not replacing those, obviously, so we're good. Because the subs are back there anyway, you know, not even a big deal. But the door speakers, we have them, so we're putting them in. So I'll catch you guys as soon as I'm out with the truck. Alright, now here we are. Here's the Excursion. Just went ahead and unlocked the doors here. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened here. I don't know why I'm opening up the front doors, but we just gotta set these things down here. And we drop these. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the back here. Look at everything we need. So we don't need to pop off anything right here. We did on that door. We had to just pop off that, and then what else was there? I'm pretty sure you just need to pop off this and pop off that. The door panel should come right off, and we can replace the rear door speakers. I heard they're a little harder than front door speakers, but I don't know about that. Either way, I'm gonna go ahead and get this door panel off, put you guys up for a time lapse. By the way, quick little peek at the kickers there. The amp is under this seat here. I need to go and throw away my air filter trash, and there's my that's my oil filter. Yeah, I got one of those. Okay, we're gonna get right into the door speakers, and I'll set you guys up for a time lapse. So hope you enjoy. Alrighty guys, now that is it. As you guys can see, brand new kicker speakers in that door and that door. That was a fairly easy job overall. Didn't really take too much to complete. All you're gonna need is a, let's see what this is here, 1/4, I believe, if I'm reading that correctly, 1/4 socket, and then a 7mm. So the 7mm, I mean, they're only a little bit different. So I believe this one would be for your door speaker bolts, and this, oh, I dropped that down there. Okay, anyway, so this socket would be for the 1 bolt behind this and the 1 bolt behind that, which is all that's holding the door on. Same with that side. So with that, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new and you haven't already, and make sure to turn on those post notifications to never miss a new daily video from me. And with that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and with that, catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.